guitars and ukuleles. This is a special uke in a few ways. It's the first soprano I've made in a long time, number 93, and it's in blackwood, Tasmanian blackwood, figured, and everything is French polished. It's got a simple black purfling, and that is kind of doubled on for the rosette. Stauffer style fingerboard, and it's got a square heel, which is what I do on my instruments. 100 mahogany neck, and it's got a Stauffer style headstock. Stauffer, not sure how it's pronounced, he taught C.F. Martin how to make guitars back in Germany, and this was his headstock design, which also looks like a Fender headstock, a Fender Strat, and also a Fender, Telecaster. This is the first time I've done this headstock, and I really like it. And it's got Gotoh UPTL tuners, which work perfectly for this type of instrument, any uke, but especially this headstock design. And the strings are pretty much in line, which is always a desirable thing. And this soprano is also a 14 fret to the body, which is pretty unusual. So the 14 fret to the body, 13 3/4 scale length, and especially this headstock, means that this soprano has to go in a concert case. No big deal. It's just a little bit too long for a soprano. It's like an inch too long. I got a traditional soprano body shape, and I extended it just a little bit this way and made it a little bit wider this way. The sound hole is a little bit bigger, and I think it sounds fantastic. This is strung up in high G, which I don't normally do, but it works well for this. And I'm not not a great player at the best of times, but this is. I'll try and give this one a go. These strings are only about 2 days old. Long sustain, and surprisingly loud for such a small instrument. I can do a 12 fret stretch. The frets are Evo Gold, the 0.053 thou. So 1 millimeter is 40 thou, and these are 53 thou. You do the math. Yeah, it's a really beautiful instrument. The top is, I forgot to mention, the top is Adirondack Spruce. And it has no top braces. Just got a bridge plate. So this is my more modern take on the original uke. I'm really happy with the results. This one is off to England, to a very special lady, very special player. I can't wait to hear what she does on this. And I hope this is the first of many sopranos, but also this style of headstock. I'm offering this headstock on any sized uke or guitar. The ukulele is a lot easier to, actually on guitar I could put these on as well, so it's no problem, but the traditional Stauffer tuners, which has got the big metal plate on the back, they're about $800, but they are beautiful. This all day. Thank you very much. This is number 93, getting close to 100, which will be getting a special label. Anyway, this is a number 93 soprano 14 fret to the body Stauffer headstock with walnut burl in the back and ebony. Everything that's black is ebony, including these. Thank you very much. Bye.